Exponential equation question 3 of 5, we have 2r raised to power 3 over 2 is equals to 54. Here, to solve this, we need to first eliminate or take away this coefficient of r here, which is 2. In that case, we divide both sides by 2. So we have 2r raised to power 3 over 2 is equals to 54 over 2 all over 2. 2 will cancel out 2 here. We are left with r raised to power 3 over 2 equals 27. Here as well, to want to we have r, we need to get r. So that means we must take away this power here. To take away this power here, or make r have a power of 1, we need to remove this power here, which is 3 over 2. The power we have here is 3 over 2. To remove that is, we have to multiply this power here, 3 over 2, with the reciprocal of this. Reciprocal of 3 over 2 is 2 over 3. So by the time we multiply this together, 2 cancel 2 here, 3 cancel here, we have 1. Multiplying them together will give us 1. So in this case, we are going to multiply the power by 2 over 3. 27 here has the power of 1. So that means 27 is equals to 77 raised to power 1. So we are going to have r raised to power 3 over 2 times 2 over 3 equals 27 raised to power 1 times 2 over 3. This and this will cancel out. You're having r is equals to 27 raised to power 2 over 3. And we also agree with 27 is also the same thing as 3 raised to power 3. So we can have it to be r is equals to 3 raised to power 3 over 2 over 3. Here, 3 will cancel out 3. We are left with r is equals to 3 raised to power 2. R is equals to 9. That means solving this, r is equals to 9. Surely,